Hi everyone, this is Parul. Today I have a short chair yoga sequence specifically good for people working in office with longer sitting hours, or even if you're working from home and not moving much, or people with limited mobility, like if you've gone through some injury and you're not exercising much, you can get some movement with this chair yoga sequence, and also good for our senior citizens. So let's start. You can sit comfortably on your chair, you can rest your hands gently on your thighs, and let's close our eyes for a few seconds. Just close your eyes. And just breathe. Just declutter your mind. Just disconnect with everything for a few minutes. And just breathe. Just breathe in and out through your nose. Take 3 deep breaths. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. Breathe in through your nose. Breathe out through your nose. One more. Breathe in through your nose. And breathe out through your nose. Gently open your eyes and take your arms up. Stretch your arms up, interlace your fingers, breathe in, take your arms up, breathe in. Release tension from your spine, your lower back, and breathe in. And then you breathe out, lean to your right. Breathe in back to the center, breathe out to your left. Breathe in back to the center. Breathe out to rest your hands down on your thighs. Okay, now we're going to do this cat and cow in sitting position. So you're going to just lift your heart, chin up, breathe in, shoulders relax away from your ears, breathe in, a little arch in your back, breathe in, and breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. You can do this few times. Breathe in, chin away from your chest, shoulders relaxed. Breathe out, chin to the chest, round your spine. Breathe in, chin away from your chest, arch your back. Breathe out, chin to the chest, round your spine. 2 more. Breathe in, chin away from your chest, shoulders relax, arch your back. Breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest, looking towards your belly button. 1 more. Breathe in. Take your chin up, lift your heart, and breathe out, round your spine, chin to the chest. Get your spine to neutral position. Now extend your right arm, take your right arm to the left, and just hug your right arm in, look to your right. Breathe. Release your shoulders. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently release your right arm, switch side. Take your left arm to the right, look to your left, breathe, and release. Okay, now you can rest your hands on your shoulders and just take your elbows back. Yes, breathe, loosen up your shoulders. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and switch side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, release your hands. Take your left hand, take it to the right side of your head. Lean your head to the left, release the right side of your neck. Breathe. Make sure you're sitting long. And then you gently get your head back to the center. Release your left hand. Take your right hand to the left side. Lean your head to the right. Breathe. And come back to the center, release your hands. Okay, now interlace your fingers, put it at the top of your neck, and just rest your head on your palms. Open your elbows, lift your heart, breathe. And then you gently take your chin to the chest, stretching the back of your neck. Elbows in gently. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Gently come up, breathe in. Breathe out to release. Now take both the arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, twist to your right. Rest your right hand on the support back and left hand on your outside of your right knee. Draw your right shoulder back, twist. So working on your spine flexibility, releasing the tension from your lower back, your shoulders. You can just do it sitting on the chair. Keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in. Breathe out back to the center. Take your arms up again. Breathe in. Breathe out to your left. Rest your left hand back, right hand outside your left knee. Draw your left shoulder back. Continue to breathe. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Breathe in and breathe out back to the center. Now just take your arms up, breathe in and breathe out, go forward. Do it few more times. Take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, fold forward. One more time, breathe in up. Breathe out, fold forward. Okay, now gently take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, release your hands. Okay, now just rest your right heel on top of your left knee and drop your right knee down. Okay, maybe this is the maximum stretch for you. This is fine. This is to release your hips. If you are comfortable, just see if you can lower down your chest. Okay, resting your hands gently on your right leg. Breathe. So the lower you go, the more the intensity will be. Releasing your right hip. Breathe. If you can release, you can rest your hands on the floor also. So just see wherever you are most comfortable. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, arms down. Let's switch side. Rest your right leg down, lift your left leg, rest your left heel on top of your right knee. Gently lower down your chest. Okay, now again you can rest your hands gently on your left leg, or you can release it resting your fingertips on the floor. So see wherever you are most comfortable. Breathe. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Take your arms up, breathe in. Breathe out, arms down, release your leg. Okay, now we are going to just take our arms up, breathe in and breathe out, fold forward. So we're going to just do this few times. If you can manage to do it in office, you can do it, or wherever you are sitting on your chair, you can do it. Take your arms up, breathe in, breathe out, fold forward. Breathe in up, breathe out, forward. Breathe in up, breathe out, forward. Breathe in up, breathe out, forward. One more, breathe in up, breathe out, forward. Now gently take your arms up again, breathe in and breathe out, release your hands. Now just lift your right leg up and hug your right knee closer to your body, releasing your hip flexor and your right hip. Breathe, sit long. And you can combine this with some rotation for releasing your ankles. Okay, so choose either of the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest your right foot down. Switch side. Hug your left leg in. Breathe. And again you can combine it with your ankle rotation. Choose either of the side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and change. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and rest your left foot down. Now just extend your legs, okay, and do this, getting your toes forward and back. Yes, really good for loosening up your joints, your ankle. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. And let's close this chair yoga sequence with one breathing practice, alternate nostril breathing, Alom Vilom. It's really good, very soothing and relaxing for the cells of your body. So take your right hand, right thumb and pinky finger out and rest your right thumb on your right nostril. Breathe in through your left nostril. Close the left with pinky finger, breathe out through your right. Continue, breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. Breathe in through your right. Breathe out through your left. Breathe in through your left. Breathe out through your right. One more, breathe in through your right. And breathe out through your left. Gently release. You can rest your hands back on your legs. You can let your eyes be closed for a few seconds. Just breathe. And then you can just rub your palms. Feel the warmth of your palms on your eyes, on your shoulders, on your stomach, on your legs. And gently open your eyes. So we are done with this short chair yoga sequence that you can practice sitting anywhere. You can get this yoga sequence in your routine if you are sitting for longer hours. Do let me know in the comments below how you felt after today's practice. Thank you so much. I will see you again. Namaste.